Hey guys, welcome to WPLearners YouTube channel, your one-stop destination on everything related to WordPress. Everything. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to customize a menu. Previously, we saw how to create a menu, but we never really got into the very depths of it. So today I'm going to show you how to add an image to your items, change the text fonts, change the color, change it into overlay, justification, and everything that you need to know how to customize a menu. We're going to start by selecting the location of our menu. Right now, as you can see, I have my menu, sorry about that, on the top in the header, but maybe you want it somewhere else. So I'm going to add it in the sidebar. And you might also be wondering, there is no sidebar in the 2023 theme. Guess what? I have made a video on how to create a sidebar in 2023 theme, so you can have one as well. We're gonna click on the add block to locate our menu, that is. So in our sidebar, we're gonna add a navigation block, navigation. And we have our menu over here. And maybe you already have a menu which you created. To select the menu, you're going to click on the navigation block in your block setting. Under the menu section, you're going to open this drop down menu and click. You can create a new menu, or you can add a menu that you previously created. So that's how you locate and how do you select your menu. Now that we have successfully created and located our menu, we're going to customize it. What I'm going to start with is I'm going to add an image to the menu items to be specific. So you decide where you want it. What you can do is you're going to click on the item that you want to edit, and you have to place your cursor where you want to add the image. In our item block page, I'm going to add an image. So on the pop-up toolbar, we're going to click on this downwards arrow. You're going to click on inline image. It's going to take you to your media library. So I already have image that I need. You can even upload it if you want to. I'm going to select this picture right over here. As you can see right now, it's huge. We can adjust the size. You can click on the image and change it to the size that you need. I'm going to put in 30. That looks fine. And I'm going to do the same thing for all three of the items of my menu. Contact us. I think this goes well with contact us. Now for a third item, right for us, I'm going to add. Right, this is perfect. I'm going to adjust the size to 30. Oops. And that's how you add an image to the items of your menu. Now let's look at the justification and the orientation options. We're gonna click on our menu navigation block that we created and on the block settings, you can see the layout section. We have the justification and orientation. You can justify it according to your need, and you can even set it horizontal and vertical. I don't need it to be vertical. I'm going to keep it horizontal, and I'm going to justify them to the right. And let's see how it looks. Yeah, that is how you justify and set the orientation of your menu. Now let's look at the color and the typography options. If you scroll down on your block settings, you can see the colors and the typography settings that are available to us. You can change the color of the text, color of the background, color of the sub items, and everything. And for the typography options, they show you two options, but there are actually more. you're gonna have to click on the three dot next to the typography, and when you check them, they're gonna show up. They're gonna show up in your block settings. And over here you can change the font, the size, the appearance, line height, etc. You can customize it according to your needs, and maybe these settings should have been shown, but they're not. So to access them, you're just gonna click on the three dots. Now let's see what an overlay menu does. You might be wondering, there's a section called overlay menu on the block settings, and what an overlay menu does is it hides a menu behind a button. So when you click on the button, your menu is going to be displayed, and when you click on it again, it's gonna close up. So I'm going to show you with an example over here. Right now, by default, it's going to be set on mobile. I'm going to set it to always, and you can see my menu has disappeared. All that remains is a button. So when you click on the button, your menu is gonna show up as an overlay. You can even change the icon of your overlay menu. Right now it's two lines. You can change it into 3 lines, and if you want, you can even decide to show the buttons, or you just want to be written as you want it to be written as just menu. So that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in. We saw how to customize a menu. I'm gonna be uploading more videos on the 2023 theme, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on upcoming videos.